So guys, let's take a look at our gold USD, right? Before we get started, I did weekly analysis on this our gold, right? And we predicted that we would be having a bullish move on our gold. And I've checked other channel. One thing I know that all those channels predicted that gold will be dropping. I think I'm the only channel that predicted that our gold will give us a bullish move. The reason is that we will be having a bearish move on our DXY. Then any other things we are trading to our DXY or USD index will give us a bullish move. This is one of the reasons why we add this bullish move. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you get a daily update from us on this our gold, right? Take a look at this movement. We actually predicted that this our gold will give us a bullish move, right? And we actually add this bullish move on our gold. So I mean, this is the movement on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? This is Thursday, this was Wednesday, this was Tuesday, this was on Monday, right? So from Tuesday we actually started making this huge massive bullish move on this our gold, right? So clearly we can see that our gold analysis was actually correct. Now we are on a bullish move, there's no doubt about that. The reason is that we are seeing a drop in our USD. Now we would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day. Now, first of all, to be able to predict such, we would want to take a look at this moving average, which is 10-period moving average. Now, we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once the price is above our moving average, then we have to go long, right? But if it is below it, we have to short it. So clearly we can see that this price is above it, we have to go long. So clearly this is a bullish move on our gold, right? And I want you guys to also add something in mind is that once price has reacted to a level previously, price gets to a level, it reacted there previously once, and it reacted to that level again previously twice. Once it gets to that same level again, price will definitely react there again. Now take a look at this movement here. We saw price once reacted at this level previously. We saw kind of like a bullish move here, then a pullback occurred. This is it on the gold. We had a bullish move, then a pullback occurred right on our gold. What do we have again? We saw price pushes up. Notice that price has reacted to this level once. Once again, price actually dropped. Once price broke below it, we saw price give us a pullback. Guess what again? It tested this level and it reacted to it twice. So watch out for this same level on gold. Now we would now want to extend this level right now. You can see that our gold price is currently at this level. So watch out. A reaction will be occurring on our gold anytime soon, possibly a pullback. Then once the pullback has occurred, we will continue our bullish move on our gold. Notice that our gold, we are still on a bullish move. But first of all, we would want to see a pullback. We know we kind of see like this bullish move here, right? A pullback occurred on this gold, then this bullish move was made. Then we add a new pullback that occurred here, right? And a bullish move was made here. So I want you guys to have it in mind that a pullback too will also be occurring around this level, which will not be much though. Once the pullback has happened or it has occurred, then you can now enter to go long on this our gold. So notice that this gold, we are still on a bullish move, but a pullback is coming. So have that in mind. So currently we are trading at 1,750. Let's see if our price will actually get to a level of 1,760. So currently we might want to go bullish first to about 1,760 on our gold. After that movement, then we can now get a pullback. After the pullback has occurred, then you can now enter on our continuous bullish move on our gold, right? So gold, by the way, we are still on a bullish move, but watch out here. Price reacted here, price reacted here. So possibility that price will react here is very, very strong. So watch out for it. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, by the way. So this is a 4-hour time frame. I mean, take a look at this movement, right? This was an impulse move on gold. This was a correction that occurred, right? Another impulse move on the 4-hour time frame. A correction occurred here. Another impulse move has been made. So let's see a correction will occur, right? If price move up a little bit, goes bullish a little bit, then a pullback should occur. Once the pullback occur, then guys, you can now enter to go long on our gold, because I still believe gold to our USD, we are still on a bullish move. Secondly, is that this price is still above our moving average. except this price moves further down and break below the moving average, then we can now short it. But since it is still above it, right, and it is still far away from it, then guys, there's only one movement you all should be looking out for, which is to actually go long on our gold. We are still on a bullish move. And now let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. So it's still on a bullish move on our gold by the way. So go long on gold